Now, how do I cut track if I'm not getting a straight join? I've got some track which is curved, and I may or may not have the ends of the rails in line when I'm joining it up. You could always level both sides up, but sometimes it's convenient just to cut one rail so that you can close the gap as you push a curved piece of track up to a straight piece of track. In this case, I've tried Xuron cutters, but after Xuron cutters there's usually quite a bit of filing, and I tend to find that the cut isn't square across. So what I'm using now is a rotary Dremel type tool with diamond blades. The diamond blade that's in it at the moment is out of a kit which had diamond blades and burrs I picked up at a model show. You can also get one like this, a blade, a circular blade with mandrel for about £5 from Expo, and in this same box, and that's quite a size. There's quite a bit of diamond grit on that one because of the size of the disc, and also there are other suppliers, and there's a blade, a 22mm blade, diamond all the way to the centre nearly, for about £5. But they all seem to work. This one I've just put a small blade in, it's not got much diamond on it. Now, to cut the track, all I'm going to do is rest it on a block of wood, it happens to be a block, and weight it. I can weight it with my solder, or with this tool. I like tools. Who knows what it is? Looks like it's a handle off a cabinet with a piece of bent metal in it, but the metal has been ground to a point, and it's useful for marking, scratching, all sorts of things. Because you've got a good handle, it means you can get a lot of control. Now, I have tried in the past accurately marking with pens, scribers, all sorts of things, the rail, and then cutting it. Don't know how you are with these things, but actually I find that using racket fee or racket fee can be as accurate as marking. You know, you've got tools, you can mark something, you can scribe it, but I've got an idea of approximately how much I want to take off there, which is about that much, and so without any marking, because I've just looked at it on the two tracks, looked at how much I need to take off, and I'm going to cut it without doing any marking at all. That's held at approximately the right height, so I can rest my hand underneath it, I can switch it on, and I've got a reasonable amount of control of the blade. There's not enough weight on it, I need to clamp it a bit more securely. It was beginning to move. I've now marked it. I could go back and check now, there's a little mark that things are exactly right, but I just need to weight that more heavily, so that's not going to move. And I've got it at the right height, so I've got a lot of control to get a nice straight cut down there.